Say goodbye to hours and hours of brushing your hair. Say goodbye to hella products. Say goodbye to being a slave to your Durag. Though you will still have Durag line, but I can't get rid of everything for y'all. Alright y'all, let's just jump right into this. What's up y'all? It's Kaelin. And y'all see my hair. Y'all see this. This is not it. This is not it at all, okay? My hair is dirty, so what we're first going to do is we are going to start with As I Am Coconut CoWash. I really love this because it doesn't take that much, but it really does get my hair clean without stripping my hair, and I don't want to lose a lot of the oils, so whenever I'm doing my CoWash, I do it twice, just so I can get a lot of that dirt and product out of my hair. I never condition my hair after this just because a CoWash is a cleansing conditioner, so it just never makes sense to condition my hair right after this, but I still do use leave-in conditioner. Now, this does take 2 brushes. I use 2 brushes, okay? 2 brushes. I use a hard brush and then I use a soft brush. So then I take my Shea Moisture Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. This is all I use for like conditioner because I use this. I use like a dime size amount. You don't need a lot of it. You do need just like a dime size amount and that should be good depending on how long and how thick your hair is. And I just massage that all the way through in the direction that I want my waves to go. And then I use the hard bristle brush and I just rake that through my hair. I want to get that every strand conditioned because like I said, I don't do it in the shower, so I still want to make sure that my hair is conditioned and I want to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout my entire head. Alright, so then I take this beard oil. It's just a mixture of different oils like olive oil, argan oil, rosemary oil, cedarwood oil as well. You can get whatever oil you got though. So I use it because it has a little dropper and it just looks cute, but I evenly distribute this all over my head and then I use my soft bristle brush. There's no real reason why I use my soft bristle brush over my hard brush. I just think it just feels like more massagey. Okay, and then this is my secret weapon, okay? If you got a girlfriend, if you got a friend, if you yourself use wigs, if anybody in the house got this, steal this, okay? Take this. Get a dime size amount of this. The got to be gel. Brush that all throughout your hair. You want every strand coated with this, okay? Because this is what's going to help lay your hair flat down and keep it in place. And then you spray the spray all over your head. Now you use just a little bit of the spray. Don't use too much. And get the soft bristle brush and that just lays those flyaways down. Yes, that's what you got to do. This is the key, okay? If you don't do nothing else, if you do everything else different, if you wash your hair different, if you do everything else different, that's fine. This right here, you got to do it exactly the way I showed you. Exactly the way I showed you. Okay? And then immediately slap your do-rag on. Immediately slap your do-rag on, okay? And then when you're tying your do-rag, most of y'all know this, but make sure that it's flat at the top. Like, don't just be tying it. Don't tie your knot at the front. Don't do nothing weird with it. Just do it to where your do-rag, the strands or the strings of the do-rag lay flat, because you don't want this to create like a line in your hair. You can have a do-rag line on your forehead because that will go away, but having a do-rag line in your scalp, like, or on your hair, is just ugly. It's not gonna be cute. That's not what you want. And then also use your do-rag and have it inside out, so that line that you see at the top of my head, the little piece of fabric that's left out, is also not carved in your head, because I've had that happen before and that is not cute. Having a straight line down the middle of your head, you gotta rewash your hair and do it all over again. It is good because, yeah, Got to Be glue is water soluble, so if you do have something, if you do mess it up, you can just redo it and it only takes 10 minutes, but nobody wants to do that. So then once you get your do-rag done, wait 10 minutes, let it fully dry, and then you're gonna take your do-rag off, and y'all watch this. Watch this. Boom! It's giving ocean. It's giving ocean. It's giving sea. It's giving large body of water. Okay. Waves on swim, so they hit on who? Him, me, you. That's who. Okay. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Now the do-rag line is there, and all you're gonna do is finish it off with some argan oil, a spray, specifically a spray. You can use regular oil, but you don't want to mess up your work, so just use a spray just to break that gel cast down so your hair won't be stiff as a rock. And you go from this to this in 10 minutes. Yes, that's how you get waves in 10 minutes, y'all. Okay, that's all I got for you. Now you stay cute, you stay classy, and you stay kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all, and I'll TTYL. Love you. See ya.